Hi, this is Michelle from My Purse Strings, and I am going to review this Genteele memory foam bath mat that was sent to me. I am going to be placing this in my kids' bathroom. I'm going to actually get a second one. I'm going to put this underneath the sink so my daughter has a place to stand and brush her teeth, wash her hands. So it comes in lots of different colors. This is the smallest size, but again, get the size that fits your room. It has nice thick ribbing here, and then a nice velvety touch here. And then on the back, it has a really good, not slippery grip. And what's great about this is you can put this in the washing machine and the dryer, which I wash my bath mats all the time. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's set up. I did try the bath mat in front of my kids' shower and also my shower, and I think I did need a bigger size. So for this size, I think it looks great right in front of the sink.